Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to integrate the Stripe with the React e-commerce application. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, get to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have a React and we have created the e-commerce store. So basically the products are there. View details I'm going to add to the cart. Then it goes to the cart is added. Okay, then again back to the products, you can add another add to the cart right now, and it's to cart, go to the cart. Okay, you can increase the quantity accordingly, right? So here you can see that it's working like this. Okay, you can increase the quantity like right and proceed with checkout. You will get this total. Okay, and now I'm going to proceed with the payment. Okay, so the Stripe will open, and this is the payment. Okay, now I'm going to add my email address or anything we can add. Okay, full name test, India address, Mohali I will put right now. Okay, Chandigarh. Okay. Okay, now we have to add the card payments. Okay, I need to just go with card payments for India. That is Stripe, India test cards. Not this one. I need to go with this one. I think this will work because we have to add 26 and CVC 111, then pay 3D secure, make it complete. Payment success. Let's go to check their transaction. 799 payment, right? So 779 payment is there, and this is my Rajnikant. Okay, so here you can see that the rest of the details I'll get it from here. Okay, addresses and everything. Okay, so this is the full-fledged thing, right? So let's take a look of the code also. Okay, so the main one. So here first of all let's go to the Node.js part. Okay, so here we go with this one. Server, let's check the packet.json which packages we have installed. So here we have the codes .env express and the Stripe, but .env don't required in the Node version of 22, so you can skip it out. Okay, now we have a server.js. Why we are using the backend for this one? Because for the checkout URL. So here you can see that when we do the create checkout session, so we are returning a URL. Okay, session URL. So we just open this URL in the browser and the Stripe account will open, and here we are doing the payments and return, and here we have a success URL and the we can say cancel URL. So on the behalf of it will handle. Okay, and verify the payment session ID. So here we have the verifying that one, and then we have a webhook endpoint for the Stripe events. For the production, if you want to use, you can use that one. Checkout session completed or not. Okay, so let's take a look. Right, so here we have a creates checkout session. So here we have the line of items we have to pass a currency product data. Okay, then in the session creates checkout session, so here we are going to create the session and we have to pass the mode, line of items that we have created, and the payment method, that's card. Okay, now we have the billing address, shipping allowed countries to be whatever you want, like if you're a different region then you have to put that one. Okay, and then it will return your session URL and the session ID. According to it, you have to open that URL when you're calling this API. If I go and just check over my checkout screen, so here you can see the my checkout screen. Checkout. So here you can see that on my checkout button, I'm calling this API. Okay, by calling this API, I'm going to send the item success URL and the cancel URL. Okay, after this, it will return me the session.url, and I'm going to do window.location.href. to open that URL. Okay, and then if there is an error, so it will alert that one. Okay, and then set is processing to it open that URL, do everything over there, and then we'll come back. It will go with the success and the cancel, and whatever the status will go, it will give me the payment whether it's complete or not. Okay, the main logic is that one. And if you want that full-fledged code with the e-commerce of this thing, because I think the billing address and the shipping address is not there, but the rest of the functionality like adding the cart, removing the cart is there. So if you want that one, just do let me know in the comment section. My main motive for this tutorial is basically how you can integrate the Stripe. So the main focus is like whenever you do any kind of button that's buy now or something, when you click on that one, so you have the lines of items, you have the currency, okay, you have the card, right? So you will get the checkout URL, so you just open in a browser and do the stuff over there, and we have a cancel URL, success URL. According to it, we have to redirect. Okay, if the payment is not done, if you want that one, the card details or something else that returns the stripe, you can also do that one by the help of the session ID or the payment ID. You will get it from there, and you can just show the data over there like this is the order number and all. Okay, I hope you understand what exactly we have done. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.